The importance of garage door repair services. People store many things in their garage other than their vehicles, so keeping the door in the best operating condition is important. Regular operations may give rise to roller door repair needs due to malfunction. Call the professionals to look into the problem and ensure that all the mechanisms and components work smoothly. Repairing the door is important because this reduces the chances of injuries. Such issues are common because the weight of the door is over 100 pounds on average, so the use of wrong tools coupled with inadequate knowledge regarding its functioning leads to injuries. The common repair services offered by the professionals relate to the following. Replacement. This includes hauling away and removing the doors and related part replacements. Electric opener. They service lift mechanism guiding and pulling the door down and up. Other services include assessment, inspection, repair, lubrication, and adjustment of the opening along with mounting and attachment inspection. Installation. Garage door installation relates to the door, springs, track, cables, rollers, handles, hinges, and locks. The professionals make the necessary adjustment for fitting the opening and ensure the smooth working of parts post-installment. Torsion spring. This generates energy, wound around shafts to lift the doors instead of any stretching. When it malfunctions, the professionals may replace this. Sagging door repair. The door moves, shifts with aging, so reinforcement or realignment is necessary. The technicians inspect openings and adjust the door to ensure smooth working by fixing the needed parts. Off-track door repair. The professionals repair and service rollers off the guide tracks. Such a door can collapse at any time, so immediate garage door repair in Melbourne is necessary. Roller replacement. When the garage door guide wheel is off track for some reason, it is important to replace this as there is aging and wear and tear. You can upgrade this with nylon rollers and this makes the operations quiet. Door panel replacement. With only sectional door damage, the technicians would replace only this part and not the whole door. Broken springs and cable. The cable connects the door to the spring. Made with steel material, this is open to wearing out and rusting, so replacement may become necessary in time. Tuning up and safety inspection. The technicians do a comprehensive inspection of the door, making minor garage door repair, lubing, and adjustments. This extends the life of the door. Wireless keypad resetting. The technician would reset the wireless keypad, repair the remote control, and reprogram as needed. Conclusion. Malfunctioning sensor and failure of a major component can lower the door accidentally. Problematic spring of the door can lock you in the garage, and rusting, loose, or cracked spring may stop the operation midway or result in injuries. Timely repair reduces injuries related to the garage door in Melbourne.